Morning guys, October 6, 2022. This one here I got a call from a guy I worked for over the years. I guess he used to be a judge. But anyway, he's got an office there that's got an real old oil boiler in there, Udica, and real big system, and he usually calls me once a year to make sure it's running okay and check the nozzles. And got an old oil tank there with an OSV valve under the dirt, oil line type of thing, and thing's really pretty gnarly. But keeps running, so we leave it alone, I guess. And I guess he wants me to go do his house also. So go do the office first, and then we'll. Got a couple of number 60 tanks hanging on a life and a prayer down in the basement down there. I think I added some extra strap hanger to try to take the weight if it ever gets, the tanks ever let go. But if anything blows down there, it's a dirt floor. It's pretty gnarly down there, like a flipping dungeon. But anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get down over there. It's a real big, high volume cast iron system in there. I'm probably running a little 85 nozzle in it. Runs fine. Myself, I rather run a smaller nozzle than a lot of these big burners. They run better.
Turn right on Old County Road.
I rather run a smaller nozzle than a lot of these big beasts. It runs better and save on fuel. You don't need all that extra. Stop putting giant nozzles in the thing. You know, the thing's usually has a problem with the draft. And this thing, like I said, this thing's a real old beast. Should have been retired probably 10 years ago. But keep it going. Got no issue with that. As long as it's not leaking, let it go. What do I care? Good pressure in it. Yeah, see how these tanks were hanging? I put this thing on there, but it's been about a year. Well, it's got a beeper. He hasn't changed the flipping batteries in that thing. It's beeping last year I was here. Look at all the flipping cob. We can see the tank over there. It's a chirper. We do our thing here. The feeder's down low or something. Yeah, it was way down there. The feeder. Been stuck before in the past. Circulators. Look at this big ass. Two number 60 tanks. I replaced them in 18. I didn't like the way they were actually. Put that hanger there. Alright, we get my tools and do our thing. A chirper. Oh man, it's a chirper. It's chirping. Be a smoke alarm or something. Alright, we're gonna check this filter. OSV valve going in the concrete there, so I think I checked this last year, it was fine. I'm going to check it again. I said I want to check this filter, seeing it's an older unit. She's a crusty one for sure. Oh yeah, things in pretty good shape for an old tank. kind of surprising. Yeah, the filter's a little mucky. We'll change it. Nothing crazy, but needs to be changed. Clean out the container with get all the muck out of it the best you can. This is what they call an F4 filter. Flipping chirper. Good chirper. These OSV valves aren't the greatest. They slow the flow down going through the pump quite a bit. But you gotta have them by law. If the protect the oil line in the ground, stop the oil. This will only open if it's gonna pull in a good vacuum. So if the line in the floor gets rotted, the pump can't pull a good vacuum to open it. If that makes sense. Let's see if we can bleed this thing here. Open this up and we should be able to bleed it right here. This is the high point. You'll be able to bleed it out right here if you want. I'm gonna have to pull it through the pump anyway. See, it is bubbling. I'm going to pull it through the pump anyway, so I'll pull it through the pump here. The chirper. There's a chirper. Low limit. Raise the limit up. There we go. I'm going to do oil flow, that's it. Wait till the air comes out. There it comes. Yeah, that should be good. Nope, she shut off. Not good. Crusty Udica, Mr. Beast. She's one crusty beast. She's a crusty one, Mr. Lynch. This is a big burner. I think, what does it take for a nozzle on this thing? 125. This thing calls for a 150/80. Or a 110/80. I'm running a lot smaller nozzle than that, I'm sure. Probably an 85, knowing me. Check the burner head. Still on there. Let's see what we got in there for a nozzle. Don't look that bad, actually. Looks pretty clean. It's a 1 gallon. It's a 1 gallon 80. Thing looks brand new. The nozzle looks brand new. Look. That's fine. This thing doesn't run hot water. It just runs in the winter time, just for heat. Things like brand new. The bigger nozzles, you don't have to change them out every year. The orifices are a lot bigger and it runs different. No rhyme or reason to my madness. Little chirper. Big ass boiler. But we've got it running lean. She's crusty as hell, huh? What's wrong with that? She's fine. We'll put this back to 140. We'll put this at 180. Could even go down to 120 with this thing. Just maintain 120, 130, or something like that. He's got a water heater over there. There's no tankless on this thing. That's been removed. Someone put a plate on there. That might have been me. I'm not sure. I'm happy with it the way it is. Let it go. Crusty beast. Crusty beast from hell. Good enough for this neighborhood. Yep, he's a chirper. He's a chirper. New filter tank, clean burner head, good oil flow, good draft over fire. I've been coming here for a while. Since 17. I'd like to find out where that thing's chirping from, but I can't even find it. I don't know where the hell it is. Must be a smoke alarm somewhere. I'll tell them again. This one just needed a filter change. That's it.